Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a door access card to iPhone, right? So first you need to actually check if your door access card is actually compatible because your building, office or hotel, you know, they must support Apple Wallet access cards or HomeKey. Some access cards can be added using apps like Kissy, OpenPath, right? Basically third-party apps, or you could do HID Mobile X. And if your system is incompatible, you may need to use third-party NFC apps, or check with your property manager. And then what you do, guys, is you just add a door access card using Apple Wallet. Okay, if your access system basically supports Apple Wallet, you just follow these steps, right? You open up the Wallet app on your iPhone. You tap on the plus button. Okay, the add button in the top right corner, you'll find it somewhere right here. And then you want to select access card or home key if available, and just follow the on-screen instructions to just scan or register your card. And once you've added this, just tap on your iPhone or Apple Watch basically to unlock doors, right? And you can also do this with third-party apps, right? Just download the required app and sign in with your company, school or building account. Okay, these are examples of apps. You can go search up Key CHID Mobile Access. All right, and then just look for the option to add your access card to Apple Wallet. And just follow the app steps, register, verify your access, and once added, you just open up the Apple Wallet and use it. Really that easy and simple. So, I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.